Okay, I'm going to share a story with you. A story about a wonderful coin trick that's performed by the great Max Maloney and Paul Daniels. Because I seen Paul Daniels do this trick many years ago on one of his lectures, and I just thought it was the most amazing thing. So what Paul did is he got himself a coin, and he'll talk about the story of Max Maloney, where Max Maloney would use a piece of paper and a coin, but instead of using a visualised trick, he would actually use the art of sound. Just a beautiful thing, that, isn't it? So what Max would do, he'd place the coin on the paper and he would fold that coin into the paper, and every time he did, he would reassure the audience by tapping that coin on the glass, so they always knew that that coin was in there. Seal the other side to reassure the audience, so they always knew it was there. Let's fold in the bottom to really seal in that coin. Just a beautiful thing, listen to that. Now the thing with this trick is, he'll take his time, and with no sudden movements or no abracadabra, what Max would do was he would rip that piece of paper into tiny little pieces and making the coin vanish. As so you'd think it'd vanish, but in actual fact it would just come back over to the purse, and inside that purse, ladies and gentlemen, would be that very same coin.